Hi there! Have you been using your Dr. Trust BP monitor correctly? Let's discuss the process of using the BP monitor. These are what you should do while taking a reading. Height difference between the table and chair should be within 25 to 35 centimeters. Height of chair should be between 20 to 35 centimeters. Sit vertically and relax yourself. Your arm should be relaxed and palm facing upwards. Upper arm shouldn't be covered by any cloth. Place the cuff on your bare upper arm 1 inch above the bend of your elbow. Make sure the tubing falls over the front center of your arm so that the sensor is correctly placed. Pull the end of the cuff so that it's evenly tight around your arm. You should place it tight enough so that you can only slip 2 fingertips under the top edge of the cuff. Make sure your skin doesn't pinch when the cuff inflates. Cuff and heart should be in line at the same level. When you shouldn't do a reading: within 1 hour of food intake, within 20 minutes of taking your bath, when climate is very cold, immediately after tea, coffee, or smoke, while talking or moving your fingers, when bladder is full or you feel like discharging urine. Please follow these instructions and get correct BP reading on your Dr. Trust BP monitor.
Dr. Trust. Trusted for life.